Hey everybody, it's Walter with Coastal Caters. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the expiration date on your propane tank. And you need to know where that is because after, I believe it's 12 years, the tank's expired. It's going to need to be refurbished and the dealer will take care of all that. But you can't get it refilled at a propane dealer anymore once it's expired. So I'm just going to show you real quick where the expiration date can be found. And we'll go ahead and turn the tank around and we're going to look at the collar here. This is called the collar, and that's where you're going to find the expiration date and some other numbers, but I'm going to show you exactly where to find the expiration date. There's several numbers on the tank, as you can see, but we're looking for the month year stamp, and we're going to find that right here. And this is August of 17, so it's going to be good till August of 2029. So what this means is after August of 2029, you just can't take this to the dealership to have it refilled. You're gonna have to take it to the exchange and exchange it. That's all you're gonna have to do. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet, if you do that now, that'd be great. And once again, this is just how you simply find the expiration date on your propane tank. And we hope you found this video useful and helps you out. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. Have a great day and thank you for watching.